Good day. In this video, we're going to talk about how to represent quantities in real-life situations using expressions and equations. Now, let's start with something we already know. Ito, text messages, chat. Now, let's see if you already know these shortcuts. OTW. What's the meaning of this? On the way. BTW, that's by the way. ASAP or ASAP as soon as possible. And BRB is be right back. Okay. Okay. So these are called SMS languages. Shortcut. Instead na i-write natin yung o type natin yung on the way word by word, we can just use the shortcut which is yung OTW. Imbis na by the way, BTW na lang. Okay. So question, why do you think we use SMS languages or language? To communicate more effectively, easier, 'di ba? Mas mabilis mag-type, mas mabilis mag-chat kapag gagamit tayo ng mga ganito. Okay, in algebra, there is also something like SMS languages, and they are called this algebraic equation, expression. We have variable in algebra, operator, coefficient, constant, and together they um, and grouping them together, it can be an algebraic equation. See? So, mamaya makikita nyo kung paano sila naging magkatulad ng SMS languages. Kung paano itong 3x plus 4 equals 28 is a shortcut of something. Kung paano napapadali yung pag-solve natin using this, di ba? Kasi when we try to look at this, parang mas naging mahirap yung problem sa math. May mga x na, may plus 4, may gumagamit na ng variables, constant. So we will explain that. So we have first yung variable. What is a variable? Variable is a quantity that may change. So, yung variable natin pwede magbago. Nilagay lang siyang x. Just think of it like a question mark kasi hindi pa natin alam yung value. So, instead na ilagay na blank or question mark, nilalagay natin x. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa natin alam yung value ng number na yan. And it may change. Pwedeng baguhin yan. Okay, next. The operator. Operator can be the addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. The operation. So, in this case, we have the plus sign, the addition. Coefficient, a numerical or a constant quantity placed before and multiplying the variable. So, coefficient is yung number katabi ng variable. Ito yung 3 katabi ng x. So, 3 is the coefficient of the variable x. And last is yung constant. Constant is a number that is fixed and known. So like 4, ito 4, alam na natin, hindi na siya magbabago. 28. So constant number that is fixed. Okay, so ito yung mga codes that we can use to make our life in mathematics easier. So, and putting them together, we can have algebraic expressions and algebraic equation. What's the difference between the two? As you can see, isa 3x plus 4, isa 3x plus 4 equals 28. Anong pinagkaiba nila? Yes, sa expression, walang equal sign, walang equation. Sa equation, syempre from the word equation, we have an equal sign. So let's define that. Expression is an expression which is made up of variables and constant along with algebraic operation. Algebraic expression naman, algebraic equation naman is an statement or sentence saying that two algebraic expressions are equal. So we have these two expressions, tas may equal sign sila. So, basta na lang, kapag expression, walang equal sign. Kapag may equal sign na, equation na yung tawag dyan. Okay? Next, how to use SMS in algebra, or how to use those things in algebra. How is how can those variable, those things can make our algebra easier? How to use them in solving? Okay, let's see. Let's answer that question here. So I have something in my mind. Just say that I have this message and I want it to translate to expression or equation if possible. Okay, so let's say I want to say that Marky gave away 100 marbles. Ilang marbles ba meron si Marky? Ilang marbles ba meron siya? Of course, not 100. What we know in this sentence is Marky gave away. Nagbigay siya ng 100 marbles. Alam ba natin kung ilan yung marbles niya? Hindi. So let's use variable, di ba? So let's say x yung variable natin be the number of marbles. Okay? So hindi natin alam yung number ng marbles. So let's put x. Okay, sa question mark gamitin natin. So x, then he gave away 100 marbles. So pag sinabing gave away, nabawasan yung x natin minus 100. So see, imbis na sabihin ko lahat to, Marky gave away 100 marbles, I can simply put x minus 100. That's understandable already. See, that's how we use SMS languages or these things in mathematics to communicate effectively. Next, Alice doubled the recipe. Alam ba natin kung ano yung recipe? Hindi. So, let's use variable to represent that. Let, anong variable? Sige, x pa din. X be the number of recipe. Okay. Now, x yung number ng recipe. Then sabi, Alice doubled the price, the recipe. He doubled the recipe. What do we mean by double? The doble. So, that is, so, 2 times yung recipe. 2x. See, imbis na sabing Alice doubled the recipe, we can just say 2x. See? Twice a number added to 10 is 18. Twice a number. Hindi natin alam kung anong number yon, right? So, let's use x for that. Twice a number added to 10 is 18. So, twice a number, we already know that. When we say twice, that's 2 times. Then, added, so that's addition. Plus 10, tas yung is natin is equals. So, that is 2 times a number, 2x, added to 10 plus 10 is equal to 18. See? Mas madaling maintindihan, di ba? So, twice a number added to 10 is 18. That is 2x plus 10 equals 18. Next, Marky is X years old. In 8 years, he will be 25 years old. In 8 years. Okay, so Marky is X years old. X. Hindi natin alam kung ilan taon na si Marky. What we know is after 8 years, he will be 25. So that's gonna be X. And then in 8 years, so plus 8 years, ilan taon na siya? 25 na siya. Okay, so imbis na sabihin mo ganyan, Marky is X years old. In 8 years, he will be 25 years old. We can simply say X plus 8 equals 25. And with that, we can solve. Ano ba yung value ng X na to? Ano ba yung value ng X na to? Next lesson na yun. But you can answer that just by thinking of it. X, anong value ng X? So that when I add 8, it will be 25. Part 2 na yun ng lesson. Okay? And let's try to answer this. Ali doubled the price. Asan ba dito yung double the price? Double the price is the 2x, the letter D. Let's use different color. The pupils was divided into 6 group. Asan ba dito yung nag-divide? Dinivide ng 6. Ito yung letter B. Y. Divided by 6. Y over 6. Marlon gave away 2 balloons. X minus 2. The price of rice is increased by 6 pesos. Nag-increase daw ng 6. So, plus 6 yan. Asan ba dito may plus 6? Ayun, letter E. 8 pupils joined the math club. Math club. Asan ba yung math club? 8 pupils joined the math club. So, yung math club nila nag-plus ng 8 kasi may 8 na nag-join. So, that's gonna be letter C. Ito. 8 plus 8. A number is increased by 12 is 15. Meron daw tayong mystery number, a variable, plus 12 equals 15. Asa dito yung plus 12 equals 15? Ito. Letter I. 9 more than a number is 16. 9 more than a number. 9 plus x equals 16. Ito, letter J. 3 times a number is 21. 3 times a number, 21. That's G. And then last, no, not last. Last two. Twice a number is 36. Asan ba si 2x equals 36? Ayun, letter H. Then, the sum of n and 56 is 100. Sum of n and 56 is 100. 100. Ito, letter F. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it. Goodbye and good luck to your module. Bye.